Now we will see actual resources. What its meaning? Actual resource definition is given in first two lines that you need to memorize. Actual resources are those resources whose quantity is known. How much it is available, that quantity we know. These resources are being used in present. Nowadays we are using that one, its entire quantity. We know how much it is available on our area or our earth. Examples, if we are seeing Ruhr region, that is in Germany. Ruhr region in Germany, it is rich deposit of coal and petroleum that is found in West Asia. West Asia meaning what? West Asia meaning the countries who are western side of Asia, that is the Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait. These countries are in West Asian countries. So much petroleum is found there. Then dark soil. Dark soil means black soil that is found in Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is in Maharashtra region. In our country, Maharashtra and Gujarat region, that is a dark soil found there. If we are considering here India, this region Gujarat region, then this is the Gujarat region and this is the Maharashtra region. This region dark soil is found, and this dark soil is very fertile for cotton production. These are actual resources, we are knowing that one. So in actual resources, two key points are there, whose quantity we know and they are being used in present. Now coming to second thing, potential resources. In potential resources, three key points are there. First, entire quantity may not be known. Entire quantity may not be known, and these are not being used at present. We are not using it at present. But these resources can be used in future. Now we are not using, but in future we can use. So what 3 points we get? First point, these resources quantity we don't know, we are not using in present. In future we can use that one. Why we are not using that one? Because what level of technology present at this time, that is not advanced enough to easily utilize these resources. Means more technological development is needed, then only we can utilize these resources. Quantity we are not knowing, we are not using in present. In future we are thinking that our technology will develop and we will use that one. Examples are also very important. Uranium found in Ladakh, that is example. Petroleum resources that could be used in future is an example of, the uranium that is found in Ladakh is an example of potential resource that could be used in future. Now one thing is coming in your mind, something which is now potential. In future when our technology will develop, we will start using that one, then it will be converted into actual resource at that time. Now it is potential, but when technology will develop, we will start using, then it will go in actual resource. Example is there, suppose 200 years ago you are seeing the windmill. 200 years ago windmills, they are potential resource, but nowadays it is actual resource. Clear? In whole world, Netherlands is a country that is very famous for windmill generated electricity. Netherlands is a country that is a European country that is also very popular for windmills. Then in our country India, in our Tamil Nadu, Nagarcoil is there. Nagarcoil place, that is also very famous for windmills. And on Gujarat also, Gujarat coastal area, that place also fast wind is blowing, so we are using the windmills. You can see the windmills. Here it is there. These blades are there. When these blades are rotating, then here downside is shaft is there, motor is installed there. With that one they are generating the electricity. I hope till here it is clear. Now natural resources we are seeing on second basis. Second basis, that is the natural resources can be broadly categorized into renewable and non-renewable resources. On broad level, it can be classified into renewable and non-renewable resources. With its name, if you are seeing renewable, means once again we can use that one, continuously we can use that one, renewable. Non-renewable, once again we cannot use that one. Once we will use, then it will be finished. So till here first you read. If any doubt, ask me.